Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to know which foods cause inflammation. Start by tracking what you eat and how you feel each day for 2 weeks. Note specific symptoms like bloating, joint pain, brain fog, or skin changes after meals. Eliminate one suspected food for 2 weeks to spot improvements. Reintroduce it slowly to confirm a reaction, and always consult a healthcare professional for persistent or severe symptoms. Begin by focusing on typical culprits that often show up in inflammation tests or dietary patterns. Cut back on refined sugars, soda, and sweetened snacks to see quick changes. Swap processed vegetable oils for olive oil or avocado oil in cooking. Reduce ultra-processed meals and ready-made sauces that combine multiple additives. Notice energy, digestion, and sleep changes as you adjust your choices, and keep a simple symptom log for clarity. A methodical elimination diet is the most practical way to identify triggers without confusion. Remove common offenders for 3 weeks, then reintroduce one item every 72 hours while recording symptoms. Medical tests like blood markers can help but rarely replace careful personal tracking. Pay attention to delayed reactions, such as fatigue or joint stiffness, that show up a day later. This approach builds confidence and helps you tailor a sustainable eating plan.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.